Shortage of teachers sometimes required the services of one who had retired. As German tuition was what we desired, bring back Mr. Anderson. And some older boys who had known him before told us he'd been gassed in the Great War. Just wait a few minutes, he'll start to snore. That's old Mr. Anderson. Ich stehe auf der Straße is all I recall. Chalk on the blackboard, noise in the hall. And the wonder of it was you slept through it all. Sweet dreams, Mr. Anderson.